Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 16, climates. So let's begin with the section A. Answer the following questions as required, 1 mark each. So first question is match the pairs correctly. Write the number of section B in the answer column. So number 1, cold season, winter. The answer is number 5, December to February. Then hot season, summer. Answer is number 1, March to May. Then rainy season, monsoon. The answer is number 4, June to September. Then retreating monsoon. The answer is number 3, October to November. Then we have question number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. So let's begin. Number 1, weather is an average of long-term condition of atmosphere. The answer is false. Then number 2, the earth makes an angle of 66.5 degree with her orbit. The answer is true. Then number 3, the distance between two latitudes is about 111 kilometers. The answer is true. Then number 4, January is a hot month for South India. The answer is false. Then number 5, the sun rays are perpendicular to the Tropic of Capricorn on 21st June. The answer is false. Number 6, normally the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius for an ascent of every 165 meters. The answer is true. Number 7, the temperature of Mumbai is temperate because it is situated on seashore. The answer is true. Then number 8, the headquarters of Indian Meteorological Department is located at Daibargarh. The answer is false. Then let's see question number 3. Answer the following questions in a word or two. Number 1, what is the average of long-term atmospheric condition? The answer is climate. Number 2, what is the average of short-term atmospheric condition? The answer is weather. Then number 3, what is the name of wind which changes their direction according to the season? The answer is seasonal winds. Number 4, what is caused due to the axial tilt of the earth? The answer is seasons. Number 5, on 22nd December, sun rays fall vertically over what? Answer is Tropic of Capricorn. Then number 6, on 21st June, sun rays falls vertically over what? The answer is Tropic of Cancer. Then number 7, which season is experienced in India when sun rays falls vertically on the Tropic of Cancer? The answer is summer. Then number 8, which place in Meghalaya experiences annual rainfall of 1200 cm, which is maximum in the world? The answer is Cherrapunji. Then number 9, which place near Cherrapunji is famous for receiving maximum rainfall during 24 hours? The answer is Mohsin Ram. Then number 10, which month is the hottest month in southern India? The answer is March. Number 11, some rainfall is received by Malabar coast in the month of May is known by which name? The answer is Amra Vrushti. Then number 12, which is the most important season for India? The answer is monsoon. Then number 13, the phenomena in which the rain does not fall and again rain falls is called what? The answer is rain break. Then number 14, which phenomena is connected to seasonal winds? The answer is rain break. Then number 15, in which month is the retreating monsoon experienced in India? The answer is October to November. Then now question number 4, fill in the blanks with the correct option from those given below each statement. So number 1, dash occur due to the axial tilt. The answer is B, seasons. Then number 2, the main office of the Meteorological Department of Government of India is located at dash. The answer is C, Delhi. Then number 3, The occasional rain during winter benefits dash crops. Answer is B. Ravi. Then number 4, dash is an important season in India. The answer is A. Monsoon. Then number 5, October heat is known as dash in Gujarat. So answer is option A. Bhadarvi Tap. Now number 6, irregularity is the main characteristics of dash winds. The answer is B. Monsoon. Then number 7, the winds which change their direction according to the season are called dash winds. Answer is C. Monsoon. Then number 8, the sunrays are perpendicular on dash on 22nd December. Answer is B. Tropic of Capricorn. Then number 9, the sunrays are perpendicular on dash on 21st June. Answer is C. Tropic of Cancer. Write the answer in the blank space given. Then number 10, what is the distance of, there is a distance of about dash kilometer between two latitudes. Answer is 111 kilometers. Option A. Then 11, in India the season between December to dash is considered as cold season or winter. Answer is B. February. Then number 12, in India the duration between dash to May is considered as summer. The answer is A. March. Then number 13, the duration between June to dash is considered to be the rainy season in India. The answer is B. September. Now question number 5, choose the correct option from those given below each question and write the answers. So number 1, which season is experienced in India when sunrays fall vertically on Tropic of Cancer? The answer is B. Summer. Then number 2, in general situation for an ascent of how many meters does the temperature decrease by 1 degree Celsius? The answer is D. 165. Then number 3, which place situated near Cherrapunji is famous for heavy rainfall? Answer is D. Mausan Ram. Then number 4, during which month it is retreating monsoon season in India? Answer is B. October and November. Then number 5, which phenomena with reference to Himalayas affect more for the cold wave prevailing over Gujarat and Rajasthan during winter? Answer is A. Snowfall. Now number 6, which of the following statement is true? So answer is hang on, I have put a tick mark on C and written D option in the blank. Actually the answer is days are shorter and nights are longer in winters. Option C is correct. So make correction here. Answer is C, days are shorter and nights are longer in winters. Now let's move ahead. Number 7, by which name is the rain over the Malabar coast in the month of May known as? Answer is C. Amra Varsha. Now number 8, India is the land of which type of winds? Answer is C. Monsoon. Then number 9, which is the approximate distance between two latitudes? Answer is B. 111 kilometers. Then number 10, how many traditional seasons are there in India? Answer is C. 6. Now 11, in which city is the office of Indian Meteorological Department located? Answer is A. Delhi. Now number 12, what happens due to the axial tilt of the earth? Answer is C. Seasons. Then number 13, which is the name of the place more rainfall which has shown in the partial map of India given along with? Answer is D. Cherrapunji. So this was the solution of section A. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.